This is Michael Good from reapertrades.com, and this is your daily watch list. What you see before you is the intraday chart of GTI, and here's a multi-month chart. Notice how twice before it's hit 15.83, 15.88 as the high. Today it finally broke those highs, and as it hit 15.9 I bought. That was right here, and that was the top. I had a mental stop at 1575. Didn't hit that, luckily, because then it went up. And I sold right near the highs. Easy peasy gain. Small dollar amount, though. I really need to look into changing my position sizes based on not the amount of money invested, but in terms of the volatility of the stock, too. Because $5,000 of $1,000 or of a $1 stock is 5,000 shares, and those can move more quickly than a stock that's at $15. So it might make sense for me to have a position size of, say, $10,000 on higher price stocks because they move less. Okay, tried this long out of the gate, didn't work. I'm generally pretty decent at playing things out of the gate because I cut my losses really, really quick, and if there's any sort of move, it's very quick to the upside. So this would have been a huge, awesome short just about anywhere today. So, what else? 8 by 8. Yeah, try that long on red green, and no, it didn't work. And this drop from right near the highs to down below, back to red again, that was really quick. I mean, I wasn't away from my computer or anything, it just dropped in like a few seconds. And then I tried to get out and I made it go down even more. So annoying, but not a huge loss. Just sit, annoys me. Probably shouldn't have even played it. Where I did play it, my fills sucked. And then I got hit off right at the highs here. I don't think it went higher than 4.44. I got out at 4.43. And then it tanked nicely after that. So probably should have waited a little longer, played it smaller, and also it was already down 10% today, and yesterday had been a big black candle day after only one big up day, so the odds weren't as good there. The only thing that made me a decent amount of money was CLWT, which was a Timothy Sykes Tim Alert, and I scalped it primarily. Look at this huge volume here as it dropped from about 325 down to 285 was the low that I saw, although it only briefly touched that. There was good volume at 3. So that is what stop losses getting taken out looks like. And then a little bounce after that. Still a decent chance of falling some more tomorrow. But anyway, not a good day. And now I'm down $550 or almost $600 for the month and for the week. Well, not for the week, for the last 2 days and for the month. Okay, this is where I would normally end it, but I would like to point out one thing. Let's see if I can get something here. Okay. I saw some comments on my blog about gold, and somebody brought up the gold Dow ratio. And I am going to hopefully find a chart. Yes. This is the Dow Jones Industrial Average in gold. And do you know what this means to me? It means absolutely nothing. It means about as much as the Dow divided by my waistline means. And just so you know, that's not doing so well either. Unfortunately, partly because of my waistline going up over the last few years, and also because of the Dow going down. So, what does it mean? What do you think it means? Gold holds value. That's all it does. It should stay constant. The Dow represents the economic activity of the United States that has grown over the last 100 years. The gold to Dow ratio is relatively meaningless. Yeah, it prices in, it's a way of looking at the Dow without inflation. You can do that other ways, and there's no reason for the gold Dow ratio to be any particular number. So think about things before you do things. Oh gosh, I just hate it when people bring this thing up and they have no idea what they're talking about.